Are recurring problems slowing down your operations? Do issues keep coming back, no matter how many times you fix them? It's time to stop treating symptoms and start solving root causes. Welcome to our new course, Root Cause Analysis for Beginners, your first step into the world of smart, effective problem solving. In this course, you'll learn what root cause analysis really is, how to use simple tools like the 5 whys, fishbone diagrams, and flowcharts, how to uncover the real reason problems happen and stop them for good. Perfect for maintenance teams, engineers, quality professionals, or anyone tired of temporary fixes. No jargon, no fluff. Just practical skills you can use today to drive performance and prevent costly mistakes. Join thousands of learners already taking control of their problems. Enroll now in RCA for Beginners, only on Scademy.com.